Good morning, everybody. So the Dow Jones is looking like a teenager that has been forced to do something that it doesn't want to do, and I'm very, very reluctant to even look long or short. So S&P hit big psychological level, but there's no guarantee that it's going to continue. The DAX is looking pretty much 50-50 at the moment. It could go up, could go down. And if you look at the price action here on the 8 hour, you can see these green bars here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still inside this drop in the beginning of the week, and pretty much small. You can see small bodies and then smaller body, and then all of a sudden a big exhaustion bar. So I don't trust what we're seeing here. We do have one bit of structure here at 38,616, but we do have what's looking like an attempt to break the previous high, which is 38,797. If that fails, obviously that sets up a double top. Neckline would be at the bottom of the week, but at the moment I think we need to be pretty cautious about what we're doing. I suppose we've been cautious all week. Nothing has really changed over the last 2 weeks, but the trend is up, so the buy the dip is what's going on. But it's just really messy and really difficult to pick the right entry and trust that you have the right setup. So I'm just going to put one more level in here. It's going to be important. Sorry, let's just do that so that we have a zone to look at. Anyway, oscillators groups the upside here on the 3 hour. Look at this 3 hour price action, rejection, been a rejection up here before. So for us to continue up, we need to get above 38,797. We need to come back, we need to test it, we need to build a base on it, and then we can look at moving on. But at the moment the logic is it'll probably pull back from here, but in the same breath, the bullish logic is strong move up, consolidation, gather my thoughts, and then lots of momentum to break through that 38,797. So for me, on the lower time frames, I think these are the areas to pay attention to. So between 38,616 and 38,570. That's the area to pay attention to. Look left, you're going to see a lot of tails here. So there's a lot of potential support here that could play out. If you drop down to the 15 minute and you now just work with the 15 minute, you can see yesterday's price action, strong consolidation. So strong to a point and then consolidation. But that is pretty much for me the most logical thing to pay attention to. I just want to check if we have a daily high. Sorry, let's just do this on the hour. So I want to see if I have a daily high. You're right, so there's a daily high, there's a daily high, so that does make the most logical sense. 38,616 is the area that you want to be paying attention to. You could drop down ever so slightly between 38,616 and 38,570. You could drop down in there. There's lots of structure in between there that could get you going. So that's kind of my view for today. Very, very cautious. Don't really want to be jumping in on the top here. The previous high is obviously your target. That's 38,797. 38,800 is obviously what we're aiming for. But yeah, I'd just be cautious. Don't jump in long up here. Wait for it and wait for the confirmation. You want to see inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars, and you want to see them on the level. You don't want to see the bodies closing below the level. If it closes below the level, stay out of it. Wait for the next move down. It could build a base on the next move, or just plummet through that level back down to the next level. So that it's pretty much the zone I'd be paying attention to this morning or this afternoon as well. But yeah, lots of noise. There's lots of how to put it, there's lots of different scenarios brewing out here. Here's a flag, so strong move up, flag, break, a retest of the flag maybe. If you just look left, Look at all those tails there. And that's at 38,685. Are we going to defend that? Is this now a big triangle for a move down? So you've got a bearish structure, you've got bullish structure, you've got a whole set of mixed emotions in the market about where we're going and what's happening, and interest rates, war, oil, earnings. There's just so much going on. So filter out the noise, pay attention to your levels. If we come back and we test these levels and it tests it properly, then long it is, stop is below your price action, and then you're looking at the next level as your first target. Get some off there and then anticipate a break to come and test the previous all-time high. Okay, so that's kind of my view for today. Just be very cautious. Don't try to jump in at the top here. Wait for the pullbacks, wait for the structure. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Tomorrow's another day. Hope it helps, and don't forget to hit that like button. We'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.